Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in the studio, I'm going to show you how to factory reset your PlayStation 5 if you're going to be reselling it. So there's a couple different ways we can do this. If we have access to the home screen right here, we can go to settings and scroll on down to where it says system right here. And then we can go to the right and go to reset options under system software. And we can simply just go to reset your console. Now, if you don't have access to this screen, what we want to do is completely turn off our PlayStation 5. So you can hold down the power button right here. And if you continue to hold this down, it's going to completely turn it off. So it says turning off. And just hold it down for like 5 to 10 seconds. If you just press it once, it's going to put it into the rest mode. So you want to hold it down. Then get a USB cable like this and plug your controller in so we can operate the safe mode menu. And then we have to go back to this when the white light stops blinking. Go back to the power button and hold it down. So I don't see any light blinking anymore. I'm going to hold this down. And you should hear a beep after like 8 seconds. And if you have the regular PS5, you should hear a beep immediately and then a second beep. So I heard the beep, I can let go. If the cable's plugged in, we can simply just press the PlayStation button. And then we can go on down to option number 7, reset PS5. And then go to yes. If you reset your PS5, all users and all data will be deleted from your PlayStation 5. So this is what you want to go to if you're going to be reselling this, if you don't have access to an account or anything, to just reset it on the home screen. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.